What up, World War 18? Back at it again. Welcome to the episode. Thanks for all of you guys watching for the first time. Hope you liked the video. Check out my other videos. Maybe you find something you like. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you to those who've been with me since the beginning. Truly appreciate you guys for sticking around, watching my videos, liking all that good stuff. Continue to do so. Let's get into this video. It's going to be a good one. Hope you guys enjoy it. He was edgy, he was tatted up, and he wasn't afraid to make bold choices. But was Jared Leto's Joker a misunderstood gem or total misfire? In this video, we're just digging into Leto's portrayal of the Clown Prince of Crime in Suicide Squad. The scenes we never got to see, the Joker he was trying to become, and how, believe it or not, there's still a way his version could work. Jared Leto's Joker was introduced in 2016 Suicide Squad, and right away he stood out for better or for worse. Going was the chaotic clown of Ledger or the flamboyant showman of Nicholson. Instead, we got a Joker dripping in neon gold chains, grills, and tattoos. He was a gangster, a modern-day crime boss with a flair for the theatrical, a huge departure from traditional interpretations, and that's where opinions started to divide. I personally love Jared Leto. I didn't think his Joker portrayal was as bad as critics gave him. I think he did what he was working with. He's an Oscar-winning actor, and I think the director really did him wrong in the end. That's just my personal opinion on this role. Let's be fair, there were good things about Leto's Joker. Visually, it was a bold reimagining. He brought menace and unpredictability to the scenes. He leaned into the psychological and abuse dynamic with Harley Quinn in a way that added depth to their twisted relationship. And Jared Leto didn't phone it in. He went full method, repeatedly stating character offset and delivering bizarre gifts to castmates. That level of commitment is well worth recognizing, even if the final product didn't resonate with everyone. I heard that he did crazy shit like that. I heard he was a method actor too. He's a great actor. Like I said before, he's won an Oscar. And I pretty much liked him in every movie that I've seen him in. I remember the first time I saw him was in Fight Club, where Ed Norton beat the shit out of him. He said, I want to make something beautiful. I want to destroy something beautiful. That was the first time I remember seeing Jared Leto. And I've liked him ever since that movie. So I can understand why people didn't like him going full method. But he's a great actor, and that's what he did to get in the character. And I admire that somebody would put that much effort into a comic book character. It's just that people didn't like it for some reason. Now, let's talk about what didn't work. For one, the Joker didn't have a clear presence in the film. He felt like a side note in his own universe. Most of the scenes were disjointed, lacking a narrative arc. He wasn't the mastermind of it or the chaos engine we come to expect. He was more of a Harley sidekick. And then there's the performance itself. While bold, it didn't quite land for many viewers. The voice, the laugh, the mannerisms, they felt forced, and the lack of screen time didn't help give the character room to breathe. That's one thing that I did not like. He did not have enough screen time at all. Apparently, he was supposed to have more screen time, and they cut it out. And I wouldn't have been mad if they made him the main character instead of that fucking witch bitch. That girl. The lady was terrible, and the girl that played her was a bad actor too. Her whole character arc is not good at all. I would have preferred them. I know it's a Suicide Squad movie, but you could still give the fucking Joker more time. And they tried to delve into the backstory between him and Harley Quinn, which I liked, but they just didn't put him in the movie enough. I don't know why they went with the fucking the witch lady. It just made no sense to me. This movie could have been a lot better if they would have gave him at least fucking 45 minutes to do something. Just let him do something. That would have been great. Instead, we were forced to see the witch girl do her stupid magic and her fucking bum-ass love story between her and Flag. That shit was a fucking mess. And if they would have let fucking Jared Leto cook, I think he would have been an awesome Joker.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him
So what was Leto trying to do? According to both Leto and the director David Ayer, this Joker was inspired by the criminal underworld. Think Scarface meets the Killing Joke. Killing Joke is a fantastic cartoon too. If you haven't seen it, definitely watch it. Gotham Kingpin, terrifying and unpredictable, but grounded in the modern gangster aesthetic. In the comics, there are versions of Joker who run criminal empires, but to pull that off on screen, we need more context, more character development, and unfortunately, most of that was left on the cutting room floor. So I don't know if they didn't have time to uh, delve out more of the Joker and put him in the movie, but it was a total loss. If you didn't have time to put him in the Justice League movie as a significant character, then why put him in the first place? You should have set the standard for Justice for the movie for the Suicide Squad movie. Put him in part two. Have the whole part two focus on the Joker character. That would have been perfect. They even did a Bird of Prey movie which sucked. They could have used that Bird of Prey movie and made a Joker movie, Joker and Harley Quinn movie. That would have been much better than the fucking Bird of Prey shit. I did like Suicide Squad too, even though the Joker wasn't in it. But anyway, back to my point. They could have definitely did something with this Joker. They could have definitely did something with the Jared Leto character because he's too good an actor to not have been in this movie longer than he did. And it sucks that they cut a lot of his scenes, which I think they would have made. They needed to reshoot the movie or release the Joker cut of this movie because I think we would have saw more. Just like they released the Justice League, whatever. They need to release the Joker cut of this movie. I think it would definitely be different, and I think it would have showed the type of Joker that he could have been. I'm super pissed off, and like I said again, definitely watch The Killing Joke. It's real good. It's on Max, so if you want to watch it, definitely check it out. It's fantastic. If that's a character he was going after, it would have been a great movie if they would have let him cook, like I said before.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
And here's where it gets real frustrating. Leto filmed a lot of more footage than we saw. Entire scenes were cut out that show the Joker breaking Harley Quinn out of prison, confronting Task Force X, and even clashing with Enchantress. According to Ayer, the original cut painted a more darker, more central role for Joker. The studios re-edited, stripped much of that away, leaving a hollow shell of what could have been and a more compelling villain. So watching the movie, you can tell there was a lot of scenes that were cut. And from what my research is saying, it would have been a way better movie. They shouldn't have let the studio get their fucking hands on the movie. They just fucked. I know it made almost $1 billion too. It made over $700 million. So it was a profitable movie, which made a part two. But imagine if you let Jared Leto do his thing and have those scenes put in the movie. It would have probably made over $1 billion, and we would have probably been thinking of this as a franchise movie or whatever. And he would have probably got his own movie too, coming off the strength of this movie. Even though this movie made $700 million, which is amazing, and it was nominated for an Oscar for Best Costume. It's actually very underrated in my opinion. It's not a bad movie. Will Smith was real good in this movie, and Margot Robbie was good in this movie too. I thoroughly enjoyed it, but they left so much on the table by not letting the Jared Leto do his thing and cutting out those scenes. A prison break with Harley Quinn would have been amazing to watch. But that's my opinion on that. So my take on this is Jared Leto is an excellent actor. He deserved better. The Suicide Squad was a success. It made over $700 million, right? It could have made over $1 billion if you let Jared Leto cook. They made a part two, which spawned off Peacemaker, the show with John Cena. You give Colin Farrell a show, Penguin, from a character nobody really cares about, and that's a hit. You give John Cena a show, Peacemaker, on HBO Max. That's also a hit. Both of those actors are good actors. They haven't won Oscars. Jared Leto won an Oscar. He deserved better. I know it's been, 9 years since Suicide Squad came out. You can still give him a TV show. I'm pretty sure he'll take it right now. I guess he's in some legal trouble right now. But I'm pretty sure he would take a chance to have a TV series on HBO Max. that I think would do well if you give him the same character arc. You can delve out his story. You can show how he became the Joker. You can show his crime shit. You can do pretty much the same thing that you did with the Penguin, except a character that people actually enjoy watching, like the Joker. People love the Joker. There's so many iterations of the Joker, um, from Heath Ledger to fucking Jack Nicholson, to Joaquin Phoenix, 2 Oscars from people playing the Joker. So I think they could have really did something with Jared Leto Joker. Jared Leto's an excellent actor. He's a great actor. He's been good at pretty much everything he's been in. And if you give him an opportunity to cook, I know I'm saying that a lot. I like that term for some reason. Then he would fucking kill it. I think he would fucking destroy that shit. He would kill the series on HBO Max starring him as the Joker would kill, which would make him make them want to do a movie, which would make a lot of money with him against Pattinson in a Batman type movie, which would be fantastic in that dark gritty type of thing. I think it would definitely mesh well with the way he portrayed his Joker compared to the way Pattinson portrays his Batman. I think it would be awesome. HBO needs to get on that for real. So that's all I got to say about that.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Here's a real question. Can Jared Leto's Joker work if given another chance? The answer, yes, but with the commissions. Give him a solo film or a gritty HBO Max series where he can actually be the focus. Lean into his calculated chaos. Give him real conflict with Batman or Harley and let him evolve. Leto has the chops. It's the material that let him down. With the right tone, better writing, and a commitment to the crime lord Joker concept, he can still surprise us. That would be awesome if they did a HBO Max series with Jared Leto portraying the Joker. That would be unbelievable. They already did it with the Penguin, and it worked. People love the Penguin. Although I didn't like the last Batman movie with Robert Pattinson, I think that if they were to put Jared Leto in that film, I think it would work because it's still dark and it's the kind of tone that would work for that kind of movie. If they did a TV show, I don't know if Margot Robbie would play Harley on an HBO Max show, but if she did, that would be fucking awesome. Harley and Jared Leto, I think they had chemistry watching the movie, but like I said, they cut out a lot of shit. They didn't let them work together really, and the studio just fucked it up by not letting the Joker scene stay in the movie. But if they actually could put together an HBO Max show starring Jared Leto as Joker, I think that would work, especially with him being in trouble. I guess he got in trouble recently. This could really like revive his career. Like I said, the Penguin show worked on HBO Max, and he was he's not a huge Batman character that people really talk about. He's a big character, but he's not a character that people say, "Oh, I want to see a Batman movie featuring the Penguin." And for them to do a solo show with the Penguin that did good, that's pretty awesome to see where they could go if they were actually to give Jared Leto an opportunity to play the Joker in his own his own TV show. That would be awesome too. Jared Leto's Joker is one of the most polarizing comic book portrayals in modern cinema. But under the surface, there was a vision, a Joker that could have worked if the stars had aligned. Maybe one day he'll get that redemption arc. Until then, he remains a chaotic, what could have been in the DCEU legacy. If you like the deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more takes on the film's most understood characters. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Did Leto deserve better? I think he did. So that's going to do it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate you guys for giving me 5-10 minutes of your time. Hope you liked this video. I'm a big Jared Leto fan. I think he's awesome. He's a great actor. He deserved better for this film. Let me know what you think. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. You can hit on anybody else's channel and you decide to give me your time. Time is valuable. I appreciate you guys for giving me that 5-10 minutes. Watch it in double speed if you want to see the whole video. That's what I do for a lot of videos that I like. But thank you for the time. I appreciate it. Have a good one, and I'll get it to y'all on the next one later.